Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw admin and login. So how to validate the credential. After if your login and password successfully, it will be redirect to the dashboard, admin dashboard. So how to redirect it? Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so it's a simple page I have designed it. Okay, so I already explained this one, right? Now what you're going to do is here, I have to do the thing is here if you enter the email address on this input field and password, click login button. What happened? I already show it goes to admin check. So where the route I have here, this is the route admin check. Admin check, it goes to the I have changed the URL as admin dashboard. It goes to URL like this admin dashboard, like this way it will be checked like this. So here it will be what admin control admin check action method. So admin controller admin check, get all the data. First it will be checked whether the email address in password it should be match of the credentials. If the credential match, here it will be auth, it attempt, it will be credential like this. If after that, if the username and password correct, it will be checked as a role which is admin user or not. If the user is admin, what happens is here I'm going to successfully I have see the thing is I want to redirect to the hotel page. Here this hotel page I did it this one, the hotel this one did it there, everyone can visit. So at the moment the admin panel don't want to visit everyone. So admin, the user who can only manage the admin details. The people can admin user can add the hotel information and delete the information, all the hotel relevant stuff. There's the person who can manage the all the everything. So I have to put the validation over here. I have put the validation over here. Okay. So what happens if it is admin user, I want to get all the information about the hotel. It is loaded and redirect to the hotel folder index page, and it will be show all the hotel details here like this. Okay, all the hotel details, and we will be able to see all these forms. Okay, so how to do the thing is, so what I did here is, okay, you can see. So you can see here the first I have to implement the namespace where your model is here the use app model hotel. So my model is here. Okay, the model which is things which will be communicate with the database to fetch the hotel information. So that model is, we need that model, import that model. After that we have to create the simple variable hotel. After that create the simple constructor where your model is, this is the path where your model is resided. This path we have to call and assign to this variable. This variable we have to get into call to get all the hotel information, and a response here get as hotels. So this hotels, it will be returned to the if it is admin user, it return to the view hotels folder index page. So it will be returning to this page, hotels page. This one. Okay, right? So after that I did simple stuff. The extend the layout, I have created some layout, admin layout. So the admin layout, you have created separate file which is admin layout.play.php. Here I have a simple design. So here we have to change this home. I get some project here. This project I need this hotel rooms, hotel. This one is the rooms, only the things rooms. Hotel management. Simple. I have explained the simple stuff over here. Okay, simple stuff you can see over here. The container we need or not, we just remove that. So the simple admin panel. So it is simple style. We have made the simple style over here. The simple style. Now these all things I will give you. So I'll first you have to check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, so let's save all. Let's this admin login. So John and Gmail .com is the password I have entered here. Click login. Here it successfully redirect. Here you will be able to see the hotel information clearly. It's working perfectly well here. Here we have, if you click on this, it will be visit to the home hotel page. So this hotel, with hotel, if you click on this, it is the rooms. It is default, it's coming to the hotel. So instead of showing this form, I want to show the dashboard, everything over here. Okay, so here in this is a small project, that's why I show this hotel information. It's don't worry. If you enter the room, you'll click on this link and you will be able to enter the room details. Okay, the simple stuff. This is how we have managed the admin details. Okay, this is how we have managed the admin details. You can see the admin details. So here you can see the simple template. So here you can see the style is starter. This is the, you have to create the views folder, right click new file, and you can make it as admin layout.blade.php. Here this is the HTML. Inside the HTML styles, we have the slide bar. Okay, the sidebar, this is a hoover. Okay, this is a hoover mean this one, the hoover. Here this activate this one. The simple design I have made it. Right, here you have a slide bar. Here div content. This is for the mobile responsive. We have put the mobile responsive. On the mobile responsive, you have put that design. Here this is a mobile responsive design. Here simple, here this one. That's why you have put it the mobile responsive design. This is adjacent as a mobile responsive. Here you can see here I have made this one as a mobile responsive. That's why I put into this layout. If it is put in this one, it is adjacent for the mobile responsive. All the things. Okay, here the sidebar, all things are adjusted as a mobile response, mobile screen. This simple stuff. We have to simple easily. You have to adjust it for according to the mobile purpose. Okay, so here this is one should be our adding. Simple adding. This adding simple, I modify it. If you want to do the thing is manually, you have to go to Bootstrap, get Bootstrap. You have to search the section new. Here this is the section. All the things I have get rid of this. Keep only the nav bar. This nav bar have changed it as hospital management system. That's the thing I have to it. Hotel management system. Okay. If you have any problem here, this only thing you have to keep this one. This only the thing I have to keep this only. This link only I keep this button and other things. All things I get rid of this. Keep only that things only I have keep. Other things I have get rid of this, so that the heading should be visible over here. After the sidebar also I have designed it. So the sidebar, if you want to get the sidebar without designing, so you don't need to worry about this one. This simply you have to get it this one. You no need to write any code here. So here you have to write the Bootstrap sidebar. This code I will provide you, don't worry. So that's I will show you the things that is important for you as to do the project. So if it is not coming here, sidebar section, you just go over here and search Google Bootstrap sidebar. Bootstrap sidebar. You bring one of that. The sidebar example. You can get out. The slide bar is there. Some sidebar, slide bar is there. Sorry, not slide bar, sidebar. Here you can get this one. Here this code you have to get this one. Here this one you have, there will be the various things there. Here this one you can get it. Okay, so simple. Don't worry about this. All things are there. The sidebar free example. You can get it here. Get it using this simple code here. This code you have to copy and paste it on here there. Instead of that, instead of the my design, you have to paste on this design. This design also works. The simple sidebar section. So here you can see this is in the simple sidebar section. Okay, simple stuff. Here this is the total slide bar. Okay. Yeah, there are various sidebar sections are there. You will be able to check it. So this is a simple stuff I have did it. Okay, so this is the hospital management system. It's a room and you can manage the hotel details. Also, hotel details. You will be able to enter the hotel name, just one description. You have to choose the photo and click register. It will be registered. So here, once you register, I want to show up the session as well over here. So uh, I want to make it that one visible for this log admin user. So admin layout. We have to make the another one is a session. So to make the session, so here the session. So here you have to put the user. So where I have put it, this one I have to put it. The thing is the above where's my admin layout. This admin layout navbar section. Let's check it. It's not working. Why it's a problem? So here after login, I want to see the username and password. Your user session. Why what's happened? Okay. The problem is I haven't the admin user dashboard. I have to the admin user dashboard. I have this is the dashboard. I have to call it over here. Admin user dashboard. Yes, but why it's not working? Now let's check it. Okay, here it's coming. Okay, this John. This one is working. Here it's working. Some of the problem over here. This one, this button, the toggle button. This one should be some working, not working. That is what is important. Why is the problem? So it's working now. The session is working after login. This button also we don't need that button. We have to get rid of this button. After that, I have changed as a class navbar text. This one. So here we have a BGM right. D flags justify content between. We are put into like this way. It is coming like this way. It is successfully we have done it. Okay. So here we need a logout button. All things we have to do it later on. Thank you for watching.